Today is September 29. Hello everyone, this is Daily US Stock News by Kyle, bringing you the latest stock market updates every day. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. ETF assets reach $1 trillion for the first time, trading volume hits record high. Assets in US exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have surpassed $1 trillion for the first time. This milestone for the ETF industry is attributed to a more relaxed regulatory environment and a surge in product innovation. Although actively managed ETFs account for only 7% of the global ETF market, they have attracted substantial inflows in recent years, accounting for 30% of all ETF investments. At the 2024 Guangdong-Hong Kong-Macao Greater Bay Area Green Alliance annual conference held today in China, several academic experts urged companies to accelerate their efforts toward low-carbon transitions and increase their sense of urgency. Ma Jun, director of the China Green Professional Committee and chairman of the Hong Kong Green Association, stressed that large corporations and listed companies should heighten their urgency in adopting low-carbon, green transitions and avoid remaining in a state of vague understanding. 1. OpenAI faces internal and external struggles amid major funding shift. ChatGPT developer OpenAI is reportedly facing internal conflicts. Amid rumors of a major transformation and the departure of key executives, the company's massive $150 billion funding round has taken a hit, with Apple pulling out of the $150 billion deal. Tech giant Apple has withdrawn from investment talks with OpenAI, the company behind the AI phenomenon ChatGPT. The Wall Street Journal reported on Friday that Apple was expected to participate in this round of funding, which aimed to raise around $6.5 billion, but recently exited negotiations. While Apple has backed out, other major companies, including Microsoft and Nvidia, are still in discussions to join the funding round. Microsoft has already invested $13 billion in OpenAI and is reportedly preparing to invest an additional $1 billion. OpenAI is undergoing significant financing, having already secured over $1 billion from Thrive Capital in the latest $6.5 billion funding round. This investment offers Thrive a unique option to reinvest another $1 billion next year at the same valuation, provided OpenAI meets specific revenue targets. The AI company expects substantial revenue growth, projecting $11.6 billion next year, a significant jump from the estimated $3.7 billion in 2024. Despite an anticipated loss of up to $5 billion this year, primarily due to variable computing costs, OpenAI has set ambitious revenue targets. 2. Meta Platforms Incorporated fined €91 million for failing to adequately protect user passwords. Social media giant Meta Platforms Incorporated, the parent company of Facebook, has been fined €91 million by the European Union's leading privacy watchdog for failing to adequately protect user passwords. The fine was issued today by Ireland's Data Protection Commission, DPC. 3. International Longshoremen's Association, ILA, on the brink of strike. The International Longshoremen's Association, ILA, representing 45,000 port workers, is on the verge of a strike, which could disrupt over half of U.S. maritime trade. The ILA has warned of a work stoppage starting October 1, marking the first full coast-wide strike since 1977. This action would affect 36 ports from Maine to Texas. The strike is imminent as wage negotiations with the U.S. Maritime Alliance, USMX, have reached an impasse, with their current 6-year contract expiring on September 30th. 4. Boeing's labor talks with IM stall. Negotiations between Boeing, NYSE, BA, and the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers, IM, have stalled, with no further discussions currently scheduled. The union revealed on Friday that recent efforts to reach a wage agreement with the aerospace giant have failed. The ongoing strike, which began on September 13, 2024, involves over 32,000 Boeing employees in the Seattle area and Portland, Oregon. This is the first major union action since 2008 and has led to the suspension of production for several Boeing aircraft, including the best-selling 737 MAX. 5. FDA approves GE Healthcare's diagnostic drug for detecting coronary artery disease.